Go ahead, tell me who you are.
Okay, so I would describe myself as someone who is determined and versatile and also dynamic. I'm an easygoing person as well and open-minded. I really like learning things through books and by talking to people. And I'm sure you know that I graduated from an art school, but the thing is, I realized afterwards that I didn't want to be an artist because as an artist, I had to work alone most of the time, and I wanted to be around people. I wanted to help them. I wanted to be more useful. And so shortly after my graduation, I found a job in the vineyard in the south of France. It was an amazing experience. Even though it was quite challenging physically, but it was so rewarding because I met many people from all over the world there. And after that, I was recruited by my current company, which sells swimming pools, chemicals and spas. And it was another challenge for me because I didn't know anything about technical aspects of the job. But I quickly adapted to that environment as well. And it was a small family business at the beginning, so we had to stick together. And through a time, and with hard work and teamwork and dedication, we managed to boost our sales years after years. And I also used my creativity to boost and to develop our marketing service. I did posters and I created an online shop for my shop. And I also developed a better after-sales service in my shop because in order to bring back more customers, because it was kind of non-existent when I firstly arrived. And I would say that as a saleswoman, I'm transparent and honest because I want to treat my customers as I wish to be treated most of the time. So yes, and I kind of came across your job ad by accident.
By accident.
By accident. But it's really captivated my imagination because your company is renowned as being one of the most innovative in your sector. And I've been reading that you are a really ambitious company, you like challenges, and you really stick together as one team. And could really feel that you perceive yourself and your company as cohesive and unified team. That's what I believe about working in a company as well. And I've been thinking, what kind of company can provide the best service for customers? And then I realized an airline company. So that's why I'm here. And the more information I learned about your company, the more I was motivated by it.
Wonderful.